How to create YouTube channel using your phone. Let's open Chrome, type YouTube. Now we see the mobile version of YouTube. To see the desktop version, we must click on the three dots at the top right of the screen, then desktop site. And now we have all the options we normally have on our computer. Click on your profile picture. Now settings. Here under account, click add or manage your channels. And here you can see there's a create a channel under account. Add the channel name, then agree with the terms and click create. And that's it. If you want to see more useful and in some cases hidden apps options of popular apps, consider subscribing to our channel.